This is the story of a princess who wasn't just born with a heart of gold, but went on an adventure to bring color back to life. In a kingdom far, far away, there lived a beautiful princess known for her radiant smile and her heart that knew no bounds. When it came to kindness, one day while strolling through the kingdom, she noticed something peculiar. The flowers had lost their color, the birds had stopped singing, and even the sky seemed a little grayer than usual. It was as if joy itself had taken a holiday. As the princess journeyed further, she came across an old woman sitting on a nearby bench. The princess, being the kind and curious soul that she was, couldn't help but ask, "Why has the joy gone out of everything?" The old woman, with a knowing smile, replied, "The joy in our lives, my dear princess, is like a delicate flower. It needs the water of kindness to grow and bloom." Suddenly, the princess realized that she hadn't been watering the flower of joy in her kingdom. People had become too focused on themselves and had forgotten the simple joys of giving. Determined to bring back the colors of joy, the princess embarked on a mission. She wanted to remind everyone in her kingdom of the magic that lay in being kind. First, she visited a grumpy old man who lived at the edge of town. The princess, knowing that he loved gardening, offered to help him plant some flowers. As they worked together, the princess's infectious enthusiasm began to chip away at the old man's gruff exterior. Soon, a smile, as bright as the sun, broke through his clouds, and he found himself humming a happy tune. Next, the princess went to a young girl who was known for her unkind words. The princess engaged the girl in a game, and by the end of it, the princess had not only made a friend, but had also planted a seed of kindness in the girl's heart. Everywhere the princess went, she spread the water of kindness. She helped an elderly couple reunite after they had a misunderstanding. She played with the abandoned animals in the forest. And she even forgave a mischievous imp who had been playing tricks on the townspeople. With each act of kindness, the princess felt a deep sense of fulfillment. And as she continued her journey, she noticed something incredible. The gray skies were clearing up, the flowers were blooming in a myriad of colors, and the birds were singing the sweetest melodies. The entire kingdom was coming alive with joy once again. Finally, the princess returned to the old woman and asked, "Is the joy back?" The old woman, her eyes twinkling with gratitude, said, "Yes, my dear princess. You have watered the flower of joy so beautifully that it is now blooming in every corner of our kingdom. And so, my little friends, the princess and her people lived happily ever after." The memory of her extraordinary journey served as a gentle reminder for all of them to keep the flame of kindness burning brightly within their hearts. Kindness, my friends, is like a magical potion. It may seem simple, but its power is immeasurable. It has the ability to transform not only ourselves but also the world around us. Just like the princess in our story today, when we choose to be kind, we create a ripple effect that spreads happiness and warmth to those around us. Moreover, acts of kindness have the incredible ability to break down barriers and build connections. When we offer a helping hand or a listening ear, we open the doors to deeper relationships and create a sense of community. Kindness also has a way of inspiring others. By showing compassion and generosity, we can motivate people to contribute their own kindness to the world. It's like a chain reaction that can make our communities and the world a better place. So remember, my little friends, to always carry the water of kindness with you wherever you go. You never know whose heart you might touch or how much joy you might bring back into their lives. Now, if you've enjoyed this colorful journey with us today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have your own stories of kindness to share, please write them down below. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and above all, Stay happy.